So here we have a 2020 Renault Kangoo van, and in this video I'm just going to show you how you change the wiper blades. So these later generation Kangoos use what is called a bayonet fitting on the wiper blades, whereas the previous generation had a hook arm, and I think that changed in 2017, 18, something like that. I'm not 100% sure. So this 2020 van still has the factory wiper blades on, and what we need is a 23 inch on the driver's side, and on the passenger side a 21 inch. So it's quite apt, it's raining and I'm fitting wiper blades. But anyway, I'm going to fit these Renault super flat premium wiper blades. So first off, you've got to remove the originals, and the plastic adapter slides off the end but is held with a little notch at that end. So in this case we squeeze and lift up slightly. Easier said than done. Like that, and then you slide it off. Just be careful you don't smack the windscreen with the glass, with the wiper arm. And then I'm using the bayonet fitting, often called a BL as well. So what I'm going to do first is slide that onto the end, and that's got to click like that. Make sure I get the wiper blade the right way round. I want it that way round, and then you just lock snap that in, get the pivoting point in the right place, just there. Snap that in, remove the protector, and that's done. Not many vehicles have these bayonet ends. I don't know why Renault went from the hook to these, but anyway, that's how you do it. So if you found it useful, please do click the thumbs up button as always, and if you want to know more about electric vans, subscribe to the channel. Okay, I'll see you on the next video.